Hello everyone, myself Vasant Thakur and I am the very proud student of the Arihant Academy. I want to congratulate all my friends, teachers, students and parents of the Arihant Academy for achieving an amazing result. I myself appeared in NEET 2020 and have a score of 621 out of 720, which seems to be a dream come true.
Hello, my name is Prathamesh Matodkar and I've been a part of Arihant Academy from my class 8 till class 12. And to say the least, all these 4 years at Arihant Academy have been truly memorable.
My name is Harsh Suryanath Nag and I have recently cleared my MHT CET and JEE mains examination. I am proud to mention that I have secured 98.19 percentile in JEE mains and 99.96 percentile in MHT CET.
I am Ms. Khushi Prajapati, a 2-year classroom student at Arihant Academy. I scored 629 over 720 in NEET 2020 examination.
I am Meet Shivan. I was a part of the Arihant Academy for 2 years for the engineering batch and I scored 99.76 percentile in my MHT CET exams. I would like to give the entire credit of my score to my teachers of the Arihant Academy who not only taught me but also made me believe in myself, which helped me in getting such an amazing score in my exams.
मेरा नाम है योगेश वर्मा. I have got 305 marks out of 360 in biology, 160 marks out of 180 in chemistry, and 136 marks out of 180 in physics.
Arihant Academy has played a major role in my academic progress and helped me build the foundation which was really helpful to help me achieve my goals.
Firstly, I would like to thank my parents, teachers and the entire Arihant faculty which helped me to achieve this.
Arihant Academy has one of the best teaching faculties. The professors hold the biggest share in my success. The professors keep on constantly guiding, motivating and solving our doubts, and that has helped me to reach the zenith of success. The non-teaching and teaching staff is really very cooperative and helpful.
Though my exams were getting delayed due to this pandemic, but Arihant Academy never left my hand. Till the day of the exam, they kept on arranging online exams and doubt sessions, which is, I think, the major reason for boosting my confidence.
It has been a wonderful 5 years with this institution which helped me to excel in all the possible ways through their DD lectures, seminars and cycle tests. The professors not only teach inside the textbook but also helps us to take the problems logically and clear our doubts. The professors made sure that none of the students leaving the class after the lectures must have query in their mind.
Talking about the teachers, the teaching at Arihant Academy, I would like to say it's a great balance, it's a great mix between teaching the students the basics, the fundamentals, the theoretical explanations and all the applications of all the concepts that we learn in a student life, as well as preparing students systematically, strategically for all the difficult, important exams that we have to take up in a student life. I would like to use this opportunity to thank all my teachers who have taught me from class 8 till class 12 for the contributions. Thank you.
Arihant Academy has a team of wonderful teachers and non-teaching staffs which have helped us a lot at times when needed.
But ये सभी possible हो पाया due to the hardworking nature of the Arihant members and all the teachers who have taught me. Second, सभी teachers इतने ज़्यादा कोऑपरेटिव थे कि वो बच्चों को ऐसा महसूस नहीं करने देते कि वो टीचर है. वो सभी फ्रेंडली बिहेवियर के थे और रेगुलर टेस्ट सीरीज और रेगुलर लेक्चर्स के कारण आज मैं इस 601 मार्क्स के एक टारगेट पे पहुंच पाया हूँ जो मेरे लिए रियली बहुत हार्ड था. इसीलिए मैं उन सभी अरेंज मेंबर्स को फिर से थैंक्स कहना चाहूँगा. थैंक्स अ लॉट वंस अगेन.
Along with that, I would also like to acknowledge the contribution of all the non-teaching staff members at Arihant Academy. They help create an environment for all the students where they can solely focus on the task at hand, that is, studying and preparation for the exams. Be it arranging extra lectures, doubt sessions, providing extra papers, extra materials, they make sure that all the demands, all the requirements of the students are fulfilled. They act as a bridge between the students, the teachers, the parents and the management, which is a unique feature of Arihant Academy. And also, the thing that I like most about Arihant Academy is the constant communication that all the non-teaching staff, the management, the teachers had with the students and the parents. They made sure that the student as well as the parent knows his or her academic progress throughout the journey.
The exam series is really very good and has helped me to boost my score and my confidence. I would especially like to thank Anil sir and Jayesh sir for providing me the perfect roadmap to my destination. These 4 years with Arihant Academy has been one of the best 4 years of my life. I would like to advise my juniors to work hard, be confident, be consistent, and never give up. Thank you.
But also the non-teaching staffs take so much efforts that they keep us updated with all the seminars and cycle test dates. Lastly, I would like to thank the entire Arihant faculty which helped me to achieve what I am today. Thank you once again.
Due to the consistent efforts of the Arihant faculty, today I can proudly share my score with anyone. Lastly, I would like to thank the Arihant Academy. For us, this is the perfect kind of head start to my engineering career. Thank you.
In the end, I would just like to wish all the members, teaching members, non-teaching members, current students, incoming students, future students of Arihant Academy all the best for their future endeavors. I am 100% sure Arihant Academy would continue to produce amazing results year after year and, like me, help many students achieve all their goals. Thank you.